how to export Canva designs to Google Drive in a very easy step. To do so, first of all, open any browser and then go through your canva.com. Now, simply create any design and hit on the share icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen once you are done with your templates. Then there you will see an option of more. Hit on that, and under the save you will see Google Drive. If you don't see, then it is either because it is not available to your region, or you have to use a premium Canva to save it in your Google Drive. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.